guys, welcome to the kitchen. Today we are making one of my fast, quick, easy, delicious, effortless meals that can be on the table in 30 minutes. We all need those recipes, right? This is my easy shrimp scampi, but because I gotta add my Grandbaby cakes twist, I gotta put it over grits. Did you watch the last video? Because we made my incredibly creamy, sensational grits, and now it's time to put them to good use. Let's get started. Shoulder roll. So to start, I'm going to add some butter to my pot here, and I'm gonna bring that to a nice medium temperature so we can get our shrimp started. And now I've got some juicy, plump shrimp. This is gonna go right into our butter. Oh yeah, y'all. Now I'm gonna add a little salt and pepper. As soon as you start to get that nice peachy pink color, they are ready to go. Start taking them out. And now I'm gonna add in some garlic and just cook this for about 30 seconds. We don't want this to burn. Now we're gonna add in a few more ingredients. That garlic is ready to go. So now I'm going to add in some white wine. And when it comes to white wine, pick something that you like to drink. It always makes everything taste better. Some fresh squeezed lemon juice. Now I'm adding in some spices. I'm adding in some red pepper flakes for a nice kick of spice. Get that in there. Some garlic powder, because I love garlic in this, so I double it up. Get that in there too. And I'm gonna add in some parsley as well. This is reduced by half, and I added in a little salt and pepper for taste. And now I'm gonna put our shrimp right back into the sauce. And now we are ready to eat. Like I said, if you checked out the video before, I am going to plate this over some nice, creamy, delicious Southern grits. I bet you've never had shrimp scampi quite like this. I mean, over grits. But I basically Southernize anything. This will be life-changing for you. If you've never had it, you will give up the pasta and will forever put your shrimp scampi over grits. So it's time to taste, guys. I'm so excited. I'm so ready to dig in. Just get me a little nice taste. Get in there with those creamy grits too. Oh yeah, oh my gosh. Oh, come on, come on, come on. Oh my gosh, guys, this is so good. And can you believe we literally did this in like, what, 20 minutes? That's how fast this dish can get to your family table, and people will not stop talking about it. Make sure you grab the recipe at grandbabycakes.com, and I'll see you next time. I gotta keep eating. Bye-bye. Get out of here. Skedaddle. Make sure you head to grandbaby-cakes.com to grab this recipe and so many more. And don't forget to subscribe so you can check out my weekly recipe videos.